Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today, I'm showing you how to cancel your TikTok subscription quickly and easily. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're on the home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap the menu button at the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Support and About section and tap on Help Center. Then again, scroll down until you reach to Other section and tap on See More. And you will get to Subscription screen. From here, tap on Managing Your Subscription. You'll see a few options. Select the second one that says, How can I cancel an auto-renewal subscription? Make sure to read the instructions carefully and follow the instruction carefully. If you want to know more about it, then select Need More Help at the bottom. This opens a text field where you can explain your cancellation request. Type in your reason clearly and hit the Submit button. TikTok's support team will get back to you shortly with further steps to complete your cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully requested to cancel your TikTok subscription. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.